Welcome to English and Haitian course by Jude Angus. Bienvenue dans Kou Anglè ak Ayisyen de Jude Angus. Lesson 14. Leson 14. Today is the 9th of September. Jodia c'est 9 septembre. Jodia c'est 9 septembre. Today is the 9th of September. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Li 4 après-midi. Li 4 après-midi. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Have a nice weekend. Passez un bon fin de semaine. Passez un bon fin de semaine. Have a nice weekend. How old are you? Qui l'âge ou? Qui l'âge ou? How old are you? My name is Mwen rele. My name is. Which country are you from? Nan ki peyi ou soti? Nan ki peyi ou soti? Which country are you from? What would you like to eat? Ki sa ou ta reme manje? Ki sa ou ta reme manje? What would you like to eat? What time is it? Ki lè liye? Ki lè liye? What time is it? Do you like to drink tea? Eske ou reme boite? Eske ou reme boite? Do you like to drink tea? What day is it today? Ki jou jodi a ye? Ki jou jodi a ye? What day is it today? Please subscribe and like this video. Tant pis, abonnez. Et puis, bah nous on like.